Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section, and here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option select from albums, and basically we can choose something from our own gallery. And here, as I said, we've got pre-installed wallpapers. Moreover, you can tap on more wallpapers here and you will be transferred to the themes. Of course, give all the permissions your device needs. And here you can find beautiful free options which you can download, so make sure that you've got the internet connection. And if you will find the wallpaper which you'd like to download, simply tap on it, for example this one, and then tap on download. After downloading your device, let me show you, we'll show you this apply option, and all you have to do is to tap on apply to actually use the wallpaper. I also downloaded some wallpapers. As you can see here, you can find them in the themes. Usually you will be on the categories or trending, but after tapping on local and tapping on local wallpapers, you can check those which you've also downloaded in the static wallpapers. And as you can see here, we've got some options. So let me pick maybe this one. Just tap on the wallpaper and then tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Here we've got the information that it was applied, and as you can see here, we've got our wallpaper applied on the home screen and also lock screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.